Welcome to Stressing Over Pencil Pressure. In this activity, you're going to explore the concepts of force, pressure, and compression stress as you feel the difference between the pressure of each end of a pencil as you push it between your palms. So let's look at the materials. First, you need a ruler that has centimeters and millimeters on it. You're going to need a calculator. You're also going to need a mechanical pencil that has the size of the lead written on it. It's the diameter. You're going to be doing a lot of math to figure out the difference in pressure between the tip of the pencil and the eraser as it's being pressed either on your palm or on the tip of your finger. A couple safety tips. When pressing the lead on your finger, do it gently and only press on your own finger or own palm. All right? Have fun.